Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a car enthusiast like me, you're going to love today's review. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest automotive content. Today, I'm thrilled to talk to you about the CarlinKit 2air CarPlay wireless Android Auto wireless adapter. If you drive a Toyota, Mazda, Ford, Volkswagen, Peugeot, Skoda, Kia, or Haval, this is the must-have accessory for you. Let's talk about the convenience and safety benefits of this adapter. Imagine being able to access your favorite apps, make calls, and send messages hands-free while driving. With CarlinKit 2air, you can do all of that and more, without taking your eyes off the road. Plus, the wireless feature means no more messy cables cluttering up your dash. With this device, you'll also get a high-quality audio experience, with crystal clear sound and no interruptions. Say goodbye to fumbling with wires or struggling to connect your phone to your car's infotainment system. The CarlinKit 2air makes it effortless, so you can focus on enjoying your drive. But wait, there's more. The adapter is easy to install and compatible with a wide range of car models, making it a versatile and practical investment. And did I mention the sleek and compact design? It seamlessly blends into your car's interior, giving it a modern and polished look. If you're ready to take your driving experience to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the CarlinKit 2air CarPlay wireless Android Auto wireless adapter today. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.